Hey, welcome back to another quick assist video. If you're trying to change your Bose SoundLink Revolves
Select the Bose speaker from your mobile device's Bluetooth list.
from English to French, this is all you have to do. Go ahead and do a hard reset. We're going to push the top, okay, and then just want to hold it down. First it's going to give you the battery.
100%.
Then we're going to wait for this blue light to turn off. Okay, so now it's off. Then we're going to go ahead, hold it down again.
English.
Oh, we're going to hold it down.
English. To select English, press and hold the multifunction button.
And then so all we have to do is push the plus.
Espagnol. Français.
And now we are in French. So then once you decide you want it in French, you just have to push this multifunction button, hold it down.
Prêt à être connecté.
Okay, so now we're in French. And if you hold it down, you'll see.
Prêt à être connecté.
Okay, guys. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps. If it does, then merci.